On number 17, it wants us to prove the change of base formula. So I'm going to let y equal log base b of x, and I want to transform this. So this is very similar to our other proofs that we've been doing. And this is going to give you b raised to the y is equal to x. So then our next step is to actually take the logarithm of both sides. So I want to take the log base a of both sides. So if I do that, this is going to be log base a of b to the y is equal to log base a of x. So then I actually want to use the power rule, and with that I can bring down that y. So this is going to be y times log base a of b is equal to log base a of x. Then I want to divide both sides by log base a of b. So y is equal to log base a of x over log base a of b. And then my last step is going to be to replace, so replace the y with my original definition. So just like in the other proofs, if I replace the y with the original, that'll be log base b of x, and then I'm going to copy the right hand side down. So this is log base a of x and log base a of b. So that is the change of base formula, which means that any logarithm we can separate into two logarithms, taking the x that'll be on top and the base that becomes the inside of the logarithm on the bottom, and we're introducing a new base a. So if you actually look at number 18, it says use the change of base formula to evaluate the logarithm, and they want 6 decimal places. So for log base 5 of 18, another way of writing it is just log of 18 over log of 5. So the base in this case would be 10. I've chosen 10 to be my base. And you can really choose whatever number you want. Now if you type in your calculator log of 18, close parentheses, divided by log of 5, close parentheses, so let me put the closed parentheses here, then that should be equal to 1.7958 and 89. So that would be what that logarithm is equal to. Or if you didn't want to use logs, you could use ln's. So if you type in your calculator ln of 18 over ln of 5, so ln of 18 divided by ln of 5, then you actually will get the same thing. So either use log base 10 or ln, and you should get that same number.